So let's create this bill book. Actually the bill book is in A5 size. You can select that here. Okay, the size A5 size, but now for the learning purpose I will leave it as A4 just to learn how to create this bill book. So let's first of all come here to the insert and come here to the table, and we want how many rows we want to add. 1 2 3 4 5. We want to add 5 rows and 1 2 3 4 5 columns. Yeah, I think we have added just 4. Let's add 5. That is okay. Now let's resize it, drag it down. Now let's create the first part. Let's remove these lines. We can use come here to the layout. We can use this eraser to remove these lines, and also we can merge these cells. After merging cells, let's drag it down, and here down we will just write. So it will now affect our shapes. So for that purpose, just press the space and press enter now, and here we will just write company name. Company name, and down we can write company description. And also let's change this one and make it italic. Company description. It's the color to blue color. Let's now move to the left side. Here let's write invoice, and down we can write invoice number. Let's write invoice number, and down from that we can write invoice date. Make it 14, and down we will just write name. And also the address. Drag it down. So let's add another line here and drag it down. So now let's add this line. Here we want to add the serial number. It should be at the center, and also let's change this text to 14 and change the color, drag it up. After serial number, so now let's add the description. selection and bring it to the center, make it 14, and also add this design. Looks like this. I have just adjusted these lines, and now we will write quantity. It is also 14. Assign this color. Then we will assign the rate 14 and this color. Select 14, and now we will write amount. So after this, let's drag it down now. To this page. Drag it up. Here we will write the total. Select 14 in blue color. And here would be our total. And we don't need these lines, so let's remove them. Let's come here to the layout, take this eraser and remove this line, also this one. So it looks like this. So now let's design the last one part. For the last part, let's mark these all cells and just make it up. Here, let's come here to the home, select 14 in blue color, write rupees in words. Here we will write rupees in words, and let's add another row. Insert below, and here we will write terms in conditions. Drag it down, and here down we will just move to the last part. Here we will write signature. So let's bring it to the center. Yeah, here we will add our signature. So this was a very simple bill book that we have created in using Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.